Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's practice sounding out more words. This is Book 5. Ah, the letter A says ah. G, the letter G says g. And when you put them together, they say ag. Get ready to read out loud with me. Ag. B, ag. S, ag. Wag. Egg. Egg. All right, let's read the words together again. This time, you go first and I'll go second. Egg. Bag. Sag. Rag. Wag. Tag. Great work! When you are ready, why not move on to Storybook 5 to give you even more practice? The book is called Tag Wag, and I hope you enjoy it. It is linked to this video. Thank you so much for reading along with me and practicing sounding out words. You are amazing, and we will see you back here on Children's Reading Cove oh so very soon. Bye-bye.